shit.
He's off the road. I think he just fell asleep.
Dude, you need to get out and check your car.
Is he's still going?
Dude, what the fuck?
He's straight up still in the lane.
He jumped that motherfucker. You see that? You got it on dash cam.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we gotta pull that.
Is he gonna come?
What time is it? It's 4:20. No.
Oh, he's got a flat tire.
Yeah, it's 3:27 p.m.
He's got a flat tire. Oh, he's got a flat tire.
Oh, he's gonna blow out. You're gonna get it again.
He's gonna blow out for sure. Oh, he's drunken on drugs. Oh, he ain't going far.
No.
Probably should.
Smoking like a motherfucker. Stay back. That thing's gonna shred any second.
Any second out. And then he's gonna lose control again.
Oh, dude. I hope this dude don't die.
Oh, yeah.
Figuring it out. There it goes.
There it goes. Oh, yeah.
Figuring it out. There it goes.
There it goes. Oh, man. Now he's going to come in front of me. Great.
Oh, shit. Yeah, this dude is not our problem. Oh, there it goes.
He's on the rim. He's on the rim. Fuck that guy.
Oh, what a dumbass. Jesus